If you're paying your groceries, vacations, personal bills, and business expenses from the same account, stop. Mixing personal and business expenses doesn't magically turn personal spending into a tax deduction. Instead, it can create messy books, incorrect tax filings, shareholder account problems, and unnecessary headaches if the CRA reviews your business. Your business account is not your personal wallet. Hi, I'm Us Melbourne, founder of Melbourne Accounting Solutions. Today we're talking about a mistake that's extremely common among small business owners: mixing personal and business expenses. It may seem harmless when you're starting out, but as your business grows, that habit can create accounting and tax problems that become increasingly difficult and expensive to untangle. Imagine you're an incorporated business owner. Throughout the year, you use the corporate credit card for everything: business supplies, client meals, gas, groceries, a family dinner, a personal vacation, your cell phone, home renovations. Then, at year end, you hand everything to your accountant and say, just figure out what's business. Now someone has to go through hundreds or thousands of transactions trying to determine what actually relates to earning business income. And here's the bigger problem. Some transactions aren't obvious. Was that restaurant bill a legitimate business meal? Or dinner with your family? Was that hotel business travel? Or a weekend getaway? Was that electronics purchase for the office or for your home? Without proper records and supporting documentation, you've created unnecessary uncertainty. Here's the principle every Canadian business owner needs to understand. An expense doesn't become deductible simply because the business paid for it. Generally, there needs to be a legitimate connection between the expense and earning business income, subject to the specific rules and limitations that apply. And some expenses can contain both business and personal elements. Take a cell phone, for example. If it's used partly for business and partly personally, the tax treatment may need to reflect the business use portion based on the applicable circumstances. Vehicles can raise similar issues. Home office expenses have their own requirements. Meals and entertainment can have limitations. So, proper classification matters. Incorporated business owners pay special attention. If your corporation pays one of your personal expenses, don't assume you can simply call it a business expense. Depending on the circumstances, the payment might need to be recorded another way. It could potentially affect your shareholder loan account. It could represent compensation. It could potentially create a shareholder benefit or another tax consequence. The correct treatment depends on what actually happened. That's why repeatedly using corporate money for personal expenses can become much more than a bookkeeping problem. Who paid the bill doesn't determine whether it's deductible. Why the expense was incurred matters. That's a distinction every business owner should remember. The better system: make your financial life easier. Use a dedicated business bank account. Use a separate business credit card. Pay legitimate business expenses from the business. Keep receipts and supporting documentation. Document the business purpose when it isn't obvious. And if you accidentally pay a business expense personally or a personal expense through the business, make sure it's properly recorded rather than simply ignoring it. Clean records don't just make tax season easier. They give you better financial information throughout the entire year. Imagine trying to understand whether your business is profitable when thousands of dollars of personal spending are buried inside the company's expenses. Your financial statements become distorted, expenses may appear higher than they really are, profitability becomes harder to analyze, and management decisions are being made using unreliable information. Good bookkeeping isn't simply about keeping the CRA happy. It's about knowing what's actually happening inside your business. At Melbourne Accounting Solutions, we help business owners clean up their bookkeeping, properly classify transactions, and create financial systems that separate business from personal spending. If your business and personal transactions have become completely mixed together, don't wait until tax season to deal with it. Contact Melbourne Accounting Solutions. Let's organize your records, understand what's happening, and build a cleaner accounting system going forward. Because better records lead to better tax compliance and better business decisions. Open your business bank or credit card statement and ask yourself, could another accountant look at these transactions and clearly understand what's business and what's personal? If the answer is no, your bookkeeping system needs attention. I'm Us Melbourne, founder of Melbourne Accounting Solutions. Our mission is simple: to help Canadian business owners make smarter financial decisions, reduce unnecessary taxes, and build stronger businesses. If you found this lesson valuable, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss future Canadian business, tax, accounting, and financial insights designed to help you succeed. And if your personal and business finances have become mixed together, contact Melbourne Accounting Solutions. Let's clean up your books and put the right financial system in place, helping Canadian business owners learn, grow, prosper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Helping Canadian business owners learn, grow, prosper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.